The workshop is home to Peter Bedford's Creative Industries programme. Located on Jeffrey Street in Hoxton, East London, it has a flexible studio space and fully equipped joinery. Since opening in April 2015, we have continued to offer opportunities in work, learning and training, product design and progress in wood. We use principles of design and a range of joinery techniques to create decorative homeware and furniture. We also offer work experience to tenants and other participants, aimed at producing and supporting creative design work, some of which is sold and exhibited. Workshop commissions provide the opportunity for participants to work on live projects. They give the satisfaction of producing new creative work, developing new social or practical skills, and increasing self-esteem. This short film will provide an introduction to the impact this service has on tenants and those from within our local community. Thank you. Hi.
Hello.
Can you tell me what your name is?
Rupert Thompson.
Okay, nice to meet you. How long have you been coming to the workshop?
6 years.
6 years, that's
About
amazing.
6 years, I think, yeah.
Great. What would you say that you enjoy most about your joinery sessions here?
Meeting new people.
Meeting
Gets
new
me
people.
out of the house.
Great. Anything else?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. And then can you tell me a little bit about what you're working on at the moment?
A boat.
A boat.
A
Okay.
sailing boat.
Okay. And how far have you got with it?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet?
No.
Okay.
Not even halfway yet.
Okay. Excellent. And what would you say is one of your proudest moments in terms of any achievements here?
Helping Jonathan out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that with becoming a volunteer?
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you.
Hi there.
Hi,
Hello. What's your name?
Fergus Johnston.
Hi, nice to meet you. How long have you been coming to the joinery workshop?
Coming up to about 2 years.
Excellent. And can you tell me what you enjoy most about being here in terms of the workshop space?
Making different objects out of wood, whether it's, putting them together or carving them and stuff like that, but just making products at the end of the day.
Excellent. And can you talk me through what you're currently working on at the moment?
I'm currently trying to do a lamp.
Okay.
So this is like the frame I'm working on too,
Yep.
and the dimensions. So I'm putting out making a diagram of because I have to cut all the pieces individually and arrange them and connect them and stuff like that.
Is that the finished product there? Or
That's something like the finished product of
Right.
that's a test model.
Right, okay.
So it's going to roughly resemble that.
Excellent. And what would you say has been one of your key achievements, or what you're most proudest of in terms of coming here?
I think like making any object, takes a long time.
Yeah.
So then whenever you get to the end,
Yeah.
you're quite you're quite grateful of like that you've achieved
Yeah,
that. Each project is its own sort of delight, if you like.
Yeah.
And because it takes so long,
Yeah.
it's then at the end, whenever
Yeah.
it's usable and functionable, or if you sell it, sort of thing.
Do you have any favourites in terms of products that you've made?
Each one is the same.
Yep.
So obviously I'd probably get more advanced, and so it gets harder and harder.
Yeah.
So each one is the next step.
Yeah. Sounds like you like a good challenge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi there.
Hi,
Hello. Would you mind introducing yourself?
my name's Jonathan Rothenberg. I'm the trainer, the joinery trainer at Peter Bedford's The Workshop.
Okay, nice to meet you. Can you maybe describe your proposed approach to future users of your service in terms of them achieving their desired outcomes?
Okay, so for every new participant, we sit down and do an individual learning plan just to get an idea of what their previous experience is and what their desired learning outcomes should be. So that's a very informal conversation. When we sit down with each individual participant, one of the key questions we ask is, what is the end goal that they would like to achieve in terms of, usually it's a project. So what would they like to make? So my role in that is helping them to understand the skills that they need to develop to achieve that. So that might be skills in terms of understanding how to use different materials, understanding how to safely use different types of hand tools to do that. So an example we have here is a shoe rack that one of our participants has completed. So it's a classic project. What we try and encourage participants to do is to create something that's going to be useful for them, something that they can buy into. So one of the problems was, how do we cut these individual slats of timber to the same size? So we had to develop a system that would allow that participant, using something called a frame saw, that would allow them to cut square ends to the same length, so then we could, at a later stage, join them, so create a surface such as this, two surfaces and two sides, like that. One of the interests that this participant had was in using a battery drill. So you'll see, if you want to come around here, you'll see that all these panels are actually connected using screws. So using our battery drill, we created a jig that would allow this participant to drill these screws at regular intervals. Other skills that have to be worked on at the same time is learning how to measure and mark, so calculating, practicing using a ruler, things that we generally take for granted. The workshop is, as you can see, is quite small. We can accommodate a maximum of 6 participants. That is quite an intimate environment. So we operate a system of respect, where everyone who comes in respects other participants and is polite. Generally in the morning we start at 10 o'clock. We will have 2 sessions during the day, so the morning session will be from 10 to 12:30 and the afternoon will be from 1:30 to 4 p.m. We're quite informal in the way we operate in this space, so obviously if someone needs to take a break, they can do that, and we have spaces where they can have a cup of tea, take time out. That's it really.
Okay, thank you, Jonathan.